Hello folks, Grace here. Thank you for joining me today. Today's project, it's another one-day project. I know what you're thinking. Why so many one-day projects in a row? There's something else coming. It's just, not ready yet. So we're doing some one-day projects. I am making a gift bag for this beautiful jewelry dish that I commissioned for my mother for Christmas. I commissioned this from Foxtail Studios in Portland, Maine. It's a beautiful jewelry dish. It's got a little bowl to keep some rings in, and then along the edges here it has some holes to hang your earrings in. I got this in their lobster finish because they're based in Portland, Maine, and all of their patterns are Maine centric. So this is the lobster finish, which it's got these beautiful variants of blue and some little flecks of gold, which is just really in line with my mom's aesthetic. It arrived in a timely fashion. I've just kept on forgetting to bring it to my mother for the last month and a half, and then every time I visit her I kick myself for forgetting it. So I'm seeing her later today and we're not gonna forget it. And because I'm seeing her and we're going to be going out and about, I decided to make a bag to hold it in so it can stay safe and not be damaged while we're out shopping. So that is what I'm working on now. In order to make this project go a little bit quicker and to give a little extra cushion to the dish, I have two different yarns here that I am just using together. Makes a bit of a thicker yarn while still keeping the aesthetic I like. I did a couple rows here to test it out, and I do like the way they look together. So we're just gonna continue on with that and try to get this done as quickly as possible so I can go get it to my mother. Actually be easier to do this with a hook. Let me see if I can do that. I'm gonna leave these last couple ones. So this is an over, under, over, under, over. So we're gonna start here. Nope, wrong way. That's the right way. And then I'm gonna just actually put this through here. Pull that on through. Oh, that was so much easier. Should have done that from the start. Okay, so I know it's hard to see with having the same color, but we have our ends here. We have our bag with its drawstring. When we pull the drawstring, that closes right up. So here is our little bag. I guess let's put the dish in here and see how that all works together. Excellent. And I can make this into a little bow. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I had a really great time and I'm so happy with how this project came out. I would highly recommend it for people who are looking for a more sustainable way to wrap their presents. It's a great reusable bag. It won't get ruined by your 2-year-old stepping on it. Use it over and over. People use it for all sorts of things when you give them a gift. It's an infinitely useful thing, a little drawstring bag. But I would love to hear your thoughts and comments, so please remember to comment down below, like and subscribe if you'd like to see us again. We post most Fridays, but if you want to make sure not to miss anything, remember to ring the notification bell. I've been Grace, you've been great, and until next time, remember to be excellent to each other. Thank you so much. Have a great day.